Hi ladies, this next video is going to show you the nuts and bolts and behind the scenes of how to create content in our WordPress for a moment in motherhood. So let's start with logging in. So if you haven't done this already, the way to get to the page that you need is amomentinmotherhood.com. And then this part is how you get to the login page. So you're going to do /WP, which stands for WordPress -admin. So that is the URL you're going to type in anytime you need to log in to create content. So that's what takes you to this page. Oops, sorry. Yeah. It should first take you to the login page. Let me log out real quick just to show you what you're going to see. So a moment in motherhood /WP admin. Okay. It's going to take you to this page. So that's where you type in your username and your password. So your username and password are what you created a few weeks ago when I sent the when I added you as a user. So I know both of you already created your password because it notified me that you did. So that's the content that you put in here to log in, and that's going to take you to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the behind the scenes for WordPress on how to create a site. I don't know if either of you have ever used WordPress or what you've used to create your blogs, but this is what I have liked using for my websites. So the first thing to do when you're in here is you're going to go into users. And here is where you are listed. And I need both of you actually to create a Gravatar. I'll show how to do that as part of this video as well. And that's what's going to enable you to have a picture show up in this area here. So, so let's go into Lauren's here. Oh, actually, you know what? That's not going to be, or maybe it is. Okay, so this is Lauren's user area, and I don't know if it shows exactly the same. If it doesn't, let me know, because I have you added as authors, not as administrators. But if you come down here to About the User, go to Biographical Info, that is what is going to show up a little snippet about you at the end of each post, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. That it just kind of makes it feel more complete. So if we go to something that I've written, which is this one, at the bottom of the post it has my picture, which is just going to naturally show up once you got your picture in there, and then this little bio right here. So without the bio, it's only going to show your name. So if you write this, and you know it should be extremely short, but if you write it in there, it'll just add a little bit to that. So first thing to do, add a little bio. And again, if it doesn't actually let you do it because of your user status, just let me know and just send me a short one that I can put in there myself. The next thing, when you go to create a post, so you're going to come up here to this Posts tab, and this is where everything is that we have created so far. There's actually a whole bunch more too. So this is everything that we've got so far. So you have an idea for a new post. So what you do is just go up here to Add New. You give it a little click. And this is where you put in your title. So we'll do Moms Are Cool. So you're going to go ahead and let's say this is a post that I want to put onto the quotes and conversations page. So I'll say, oh, and actually this is a note too. I have changed the names of all of my kids. Meg has changed the names of her kids just to kind of protect them. You can do that, or you can choose not to, whatever you want to do. I changed all of mine to be something related to them. So Cole loves Luke Skywalker. So on all of my posts, he is Luke. Kara's middle name is Elizabeth, so I call her Lizzie. And then Tegan, I kind of wanted to name him Seth, and so this is my outlet for using the name that I kind of wanted. So, so I would say, Luke told me, Mom, you're so cool. Okay, so that's my post. So what I'm going to do, so I did my title, my content, and then I'm going to come down here to categories. And this is what is going to tell it where to post on the blog. So we have our different categories here: lessons learned, quotes and conversations, and snapshots. So I'm going to click, since I want this to appear on quotes and conversations, I'm going to click this one. And that's what makes it go there. If you have an image, this is, and you want it to appear like this one, like the fish here, or this one here, or this one. Anytime you have an image, and for some reason, sometimes they don't show up. I don't know why. Still working out some kinks. But if you want an image to show up, this is where you're going to do that. So if I go to set featured image, it's going to take me to the media library. Oh, I see Lauren has added a picture of Gemma. So yeah, you're just going to go to upload files from here and bring in whatever you want to bring in. So let's say I want to bring in this picture of my family. It's going to go ahead and upload. It takes a little bit of time. And don't feel like you have to do a photo on every post. I would say for the lessons learned one, it's nice to have a photo. So, and I actually found one of the photos on that one from online. There's some resources online for free, copyright-free images. So you can use some stuff like that. But it's nice to have some photos of your family as well, if you're okay with sharing those online. But we'll pause for just a sec while this uploads. Actually, that didn't pause. Hold on. Okay, I think we've got this going here. So our photo is now uploaded. So it just shows up here when it uploads correctly. And I'm going to go ahead and go down here to set featured image. And then bam, it shows up right here. So when I go to publish this post, it's going to show up on quotes and conversations. The title is going to be Moms Are Cool. And this is going to be the content that you read when you open up the post. So publishing, at this point, I'm thinking you can just publish whenever you want, but we may try to be strategic in the future as we try to optimize the site, saying let's schedule all posts for Monday mornings at 9 or something like that. That's I'm still learning a little bit about that process. But in the meantime, you're going to want to save the draft, and then when you're ready for it to go, you can go ahead and publish it. So I would like to kind of look over the things in the beginning and make sure they're all kind of the format that I'm looking for. So if you want, you can just go ahead and let me know when you have written something, and I'll just look at it and let you know. I don't know if I have any suggestions or whatever, but that's the way this whole thing works. So if I was ready to publish, I would just click publish. If you ever wanted to schedule it, so you don't want it to publish immediately, but say you do want it to publish it Monday morning at 9 o'clock, you go here to publish immediately, and you click edit. Okay, sorry, Cole was calling me. Okay, so we are talking about publishing immediately. So if you click on that publish immediately and click edit, then this will come up with a drop down of what month and the day. So say I wanted it to publish on the 12th, 2016 at the time of day, so 9 o'clock. And then you just click OK, and it is scheduled. So now if you actually want it to post, you still have to click schedule here. So that's the way that works. So that is the posting. If you had this written and you wanted it to be lessons learned, it would just be that check mark. Make sure you've only checked one box or snapshots. So that is the posting process. The next thing that I wanted to do was a gravatar. So the way that you get this little picture to show up at the bottom of your post is by creating a gravatar. So we're going to go to gravatar.com. So that's what it looks like. And you can go to create your own gravatar. So from here, you're going to go ahead and create your own email. Oh, Cole needs it. Okay. All these moments. So you go ahead and just create your email address. I've already done these, so it's a little bit tricky to show this part, but just let me know if you have any questions on this part. So you're going to do a username and password, and then click to sign up. And then it's going to ask you for a photo. Maybe I'll log in and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is an old account actually. So if I wanted to, so these are my gravatars, right? If I wanted to change this image, then, oh man, okay, I didn't do my research well enough on this. Let's pause. Okay, I think I've got it figured out here. So, so I'm logging in. I got confused because I had the wrong email. So I'm logging in with my info@harmonymusictherapy.com account, and it's going to show the actual gravatar that I have on A Moment in Motherhood. So when you're in when you create an account, you're going to have this tab up here saying My Gravatars, and it'll be connected to the email that you used to create your account. And what you need to do from there is to add an image that is going to be connected to your account. So you just come in here, you're going to upload one, choose your file, and just go through all of those steps, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to change my photo. But that creates a gravatar, and it'll connect it to A Moment in Motherhood. And really, if it doesn't actually work out, I just need to kind of get a few things figured out. Okay, so you're gonna, okay, here. You're gonna go over here to this side that lists websites. So you're gonna click an add WordPress.com site, and it'll allow you to, oh, I'm sorry. You're gonna go to add website, and you'll go in here and click or type in A Moment in Motherhood.com. And save that website. And once that's listed here, then it will it'll link your image to the website. If you have any issues with creating this gravatar and getting this all set up, just let me know and I'll see if I can help troubleshoot any of the issues. Or you can look at a different video that's a little bit more experienced than me and learn how to do it. So that is how to do the gravatar for the most part, and how to create post content and create and add to the blog. So let me know if you have any issues as you go through this process, and if you have any suggestions or questions or anything like that on A Moment in Motherhood. And I hope you have fun and enjoy posting. Thanks so much for being part of the process. Love you, ladies. Bye.